Hello and welcome to another Ascended Heroes pack opening. And today, we have two double blister packs na nakuha natin sa Honors Ground Baguio. We're in the search once again for the elusive Pokepad Trainer card na gagamitin natin for the UBL final legs of Season 2. At eto na nga ang ating last chance na makuha ang Pokepad from these packs dahil tournament na this weekend and wala nang stocks na mahahanap anywhere. Sa dami na nga ng binuksan nating packs, mas nagdadasal pa akong makuha itong Pokepad kaysa magkaroon ng hits. On the bright side, at least in these packs, we get the Snorunt 70 HP card, which I'll need also for my Grimmsnarl deck. Yun! First pack magic! Ethan's Macargo Illustration Rare. Though despite the hit, mukhang wala pa rin tayong nakikitang Pokepad sa mga packs na to. Kailan ba natin makukuha yan? Okay, on to the next blister pack. Basbasan lang natin ng konting magic tong packs na to para naman makita na natin yung Pokepad kahit wala nang hits. Pero as we open the remainder of these packs, we did not see a single Pokepad. So, bahala na this weekend. And with that, Mega Frostlass Mega Attack Rare.